How's it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. It's like day 3 of me being stranded at my house. I'm afraid to drive my car anywhere, although I think I'll be doing it tonight. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a $1,000 ticket. Let's knock on wood. But today we'll be looking at a bunch of random shit on Instagram, car-related shit, of course. Let's just dive right in. California laws got people sounding like... So there's a trend now kind of on Instagram where it kind of makes fun of the whole California law thing. So you'll be seeing a few of these posts. But yeah, honestly, it kind of sucks living in California right now. Like I said, I've been at home for the last 3 days, at least for the most part. I have been afraid to drive my car, especially since it's the weekend right now. I am terrified of going outside, although I think I will kind of, you know, try my luck today. But honestly, like, what do they want our cars to sound like? You know, we're driving big ol' manly American V8s. And they want us to sound like some electric Tesla shit? Come on. Next one.
Up a spike strip on 302. No fucking way. Look at this, look at this. Oh my god. Oh no! Whoa, you broke it. Whoa. What in the world?
Okay, so that one still got a smile out of me, but imagine that's your luck, okay? You happen to just be pulled to the side, you see a police chase going on, they set up a spike strip, you're recording, you see the cops get out of the way, you see the car coming down the street, he manages to clip the spike strip on the driver's side, loses control, and fucks up your car. Oh my god, that would suck. That'd ruin the day. And then the great transition right there. Okay, I like this meme just to begin with, but great transition right there. But that shit would suck, man. Okay, like I've seen a few police chases in person. I've never seen a spike strip deployed or anything like that, but that would suck, man. That'd be like the worst day of my life. I've always said, like, if someone hits my car, I'm gonna beat the shit out of them, like, to a bloody pulp. But I'm just saying, you know, I think we all agree, we all love our cars, but oh my god, that pissed me off. All right, let's move on. Dumbass of the year goes to this guy. Well, these two guys, actually. Fucking idiot. So this guy's just watching him by recording. What did you think was gonna happen? So here's a smaller dirt bike. They got the little dirt bike ramp going up to some sort of, it looks like a Ford. But why didn't you just have your buddy help you lift it into the truck? You just both walk it up. Now, I'm assuming they tried that. I want to say I'm assuming they tried that, but I'm not really sure if they did. He went way too fast, first of all. You probably could have eased onto it. I know it would have been hard to balance and everything like that, but come on. Ramp moved. God, got him right in the face. Look at that. Here, I'm going to zoom in on his face. Right. Look at that. About to hit him. Boom. Got him twice in the face. God, that sucks so much. Really short little clip here. Pretty short little clip here. Again, that's just sad to see. And I really wish we got the iPhone footage, because it's a security camera, man. The audio isn't the greatest. I'm sure the impact just sounded really fucking juicy. Dumbass of the year, go ice your teeth, because I'm sure you're missing a few. Who's moms?
Throttle.
Alright, so the first mom is being pretty wise. She's using her feet as training wheels, which is always a bad sign. If you ever see a video of a kid riding a bicycle and they put their feet down, 99% of the time they're going to crash. So the mom's doing the same thing. She's trying to go away. Gets a little bit torque right there, gets scared, probably, you know, throttles down some more. And for some reason, her bright son, who is a soldier, let her do that. Now, you guys have probably heard this term, but it's called whiskey throttle, and it's common when you're riding a motorcycle. It's when you're scared or you get torqued back, and so you yank back on the throttle more. And like most of these videos are whiskey throttle. That's whiskey throttle, although that's like best case scenario. This one's really whiskey throttle. Same thing. Her feet are out, and yep, same thing right here. Feet are down. There's a common theme here. Feet are down. Does she put them up? Nope, beat her down. And she actually goes into another dimension. She just disappears completely. So maybe she found some sort of weird portal, because she's just gone. But yeah, common theme. If you have your feet down like that, you probably should not be riding a motorcycle. When you just bought a full catback exhaust system and then California passes AB 1824, $1,000 non-correctable fine for a loud exhaust.
This fucks up my plan. This is fucking bullshit. Okay? These fucking assholes. These fucking assholes! The fuck is their problem, man? This is fucking typical. This fucks.
I bet a lot of people feel this type of way. Before I got my muffler deletes, I was actually gonna buy some Corsa Extremes, and they were like $800, and you know, I would have probably been getting them right around now, honestly. And thank God I didn't. That would have been $800 wasted. At least with my muffler deletes, I could pop those off and pop on some like stock exhaust if I really wanted to. Now I don't think I'm going to because I don't daily in my car, but I guarantee there's a lot of frustration around there, especially after the holidays. People for sure spend some money. It's tax season now too, and everyone can't buy fucking loud exhausts, okay? It's a blessing and a curse at the same time. No more Hondas sounding like lawnmowers and fart cans, but can't hear those beautiful bald eagles. Dumbass of the Year Part 2 goes to these guys. I'm sure it's probably the same family. I bet they're related. Classic clip. Let the girlfriend drive the race car really quick, or at least steer it. Obviously, it's a Honda Civic hatch, probably pushing around 3,000 horsepower to the front wheels. Again, it's obviously a race car. Mix match color body panels and stuff like that. Obviously a race car. Two people pushing it. Well, that's a wise move. Now, I don't know why, you know, if someone's steering and they're looking like this, that's not a good sign. You know, if you're driving around and you're hugging the steering wheel, that's not really a good sign. Maybe she should have applied the brakes, because they are going a bit fast, and it doesn't even look like they were lined up to begin with. He's telling her go left. It's a bit too late to go left. You know, there is a slight delay of people reacting, and she just missed the ramp completely. Like, honestly, like, she might have clipped like an inch of it, but completely misses it.
Why did you turn? Why did you fucking turn?
Yeah, I would react the same way. I'd yell at the whoever's driving the car. You know, if they crashed my $100,000 race car, I'd react the same way. You know, I'd be very upset. It's not like you can go and you don't even have a fucking bumper on. What are you mad at? She didn't crash shit. She don't even have a fucking bumper on. Grow up, big baby. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to be a very common trend on Instagram now, so I'm trying to get ahead of the curve. So you're going to probably be seeing a lot of these on Instagram if you live in California. But yeah, everyone's just making fun of the exhaust law, saying that this is how your car has to sound, and you know, it's partially fucking true. I don't know. Do you guys think I should go back to stock exhaust, or at least something quieter? What do you guys think? Last up, here we go. This clip has been spread around a lot. I think I'll just show you guys also, just because I know I got a lot of viewers that aren't just in California. But this is kind of how the police are, you know, acting about the whole situation.
Here's the citation. You also need to take to a state referee and have them verify all the components on this motor and this exhaust system, okay?
Okay.
There'll be some information on this citation. You'll also receive something in the mail.
Okay.
All right? It's no longer correctable in California.
Okay.
Any modification to exhaust, you shall go before a judge, and it's a $1,000 fine.
Okay, I wasn't aware of it.
That
I'm
changed
sorry.
last month due to the takeovers and some of the street racing.
I
So
get it.
unfortunately, you're facing $1,000, buddy, and we'll see you in court. Everything we do here is video camera. All right, you guys be careful as you pull away. I recommend fixing it right away and not continuing to drive. We're on a federal grant right now. There's about a dozen of us working this. We're going to be working this every weekend.
Okay.
And 2 or 3 times during the week sporadically. All because of the fatalities involving cars similar to this. Not saying it was you guys, but you're driving one with the stuff, get it fixed.
Okay.
Otherwise, $1,000 every time. All right, guys, be careful.
Now, I know a lot of people are probably going to say that this cop's being a dick or something like that. I think he's just kind of being informative. He knows he's being recorded. Obviously, there's a camera, like, facing him. So he knows he's being recorded, and he knows that this video is probably going to go viral. So he's saying pretty much everything that he needs to say. He's being very polite. You know, he's being just assertive. He's telling them, listen, this is what's going to happen. There's a lot of us working this. You know, we're going to be working throughout the week and everything like that. There's no reason why he would just say that randomly just because to, like, some random person. He knew he was being recorded, obviously. It almost sounds scripted to me. I know it's not. I know this is going to be random, but it almost sounds scripted to me. It sucks too because supposedly, you know, people said that this car is stock and shit like that. Now, I don't know. I believe it is like a 370. I clicked on the person's profile and it says, I believe it's a 370. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably this car. They're saying it's stock. They're actually saying it's his girlfriend's car. So I'm not really sure. Now, again, I think it's a stupid law, don't get me wrong, but, I mean, I know that obviously they have to do something about the whole takeovers and shit like that. I'm not a huge fan of takeovers. If you want to go have a park and chill, sure, as long as, you know, you guys are all being respectable of the spot and shit like that. Don't go there, rev up your shit, do donuts, vandalize shit. Don't do that, you know, kill people. Supposedly, there were like 17 fatalities last year because of shit like this. So, again, it's just a huge fucking mess right now. So, I don't know if they're going to eventually calm down on it or what. But it's not really a new law. If you had a loud exhaust system anyway, you could be pulled over. But now it's just, you know, non-correctable. So, Anyway, I'm going to conclude this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. If you're not a member of the Peacock Fight, go ahead and hit subscribe. I still have stickers for sale. They've been for sale forever, so go buy some. But until next video, peace.